The Town Child. This is the poem we reading 7th class. Okay. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lamps. So here the town child is expressing his inconvenience in the town. He doesn't like the town area and he wants to go to countryside. Okay, so here he is living in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic, means always busy with the traffic, and feet here means the people who are walking busily always. There are buses and motors and trams. Here buses, trams and motors will be always moving, and but he needs the grassy lands, that is the meadows and lambs, where these lambs will take the graze the grass. Okay, so here he needs the meadows and lambs but not the busy streets. Okay, this is the first stanza. And second stanza is, the houses all wait in a row, there is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear, I wish there were woods very near. Okay, here the houses all wait in a row. In a row means all the houses will be in a row, means continuously they will be. Okay, and there is smoke everywhere. Everywhere smoke because of the vehicles, because of the factories and all. Okay, I don't like the noises I hear, because of the factories and vehicles and all this, some noise will come which he doesn't like. I wish there were woods very near. What is his wish is, he wishes to have the woods means forests very close to his house. He needs some trees and forests or some greenery he needs, but unfortunately he doesn't have that. Okay, so where we get this we get in the countryside. Okay, there is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room. Okay, and then in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. So he can see the silence or the sky which is very far, that he likes very much, but unfortunately it is very far, but he needs a room there, a space. Room means here space, the space in the sky, because it's very far. Even then that is very silent and very calm, very blue. That's why he needs to be stay there. Okay, so this is about the town child where he wants to have the life of the countryside. Okay, the country child. My home is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. The lanes are so quiet, oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. So here, this house is very near to a wood. Wood means some forest or some greenery or some plantation. Okay, this house is like that. Here the lanes are so quiet. Lanes means here small streets, the roads, the narrow roads and all. They are very calm and quiet. But here he needs someone lived very near, because in villages you can see the houses are very far from each other, and as if they are thrown here and there, like that the houses will be. But here this child needs the houses very close to each other, just like the town's lifestyle. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours, were it not for the birds and the flowers. So here this boy wants someone to play with him, but unfortunately here, because of the houses as if throwing somewhere, so very far from house to house, there is far distance. That's why he doesn't have any company, but he needs some company to play and all. So he is needed that, but unfortunately he is not getting the companions there. Then for us together he should be lonely. Lonely means he should be alone. And were it not for the birds and the flowers, but birds and flowers are always together. They are in flocks. Okay, flowers are also in bunches, because much plantation is there, and all of the birds and flowers will enjoy there. But unfortunately this boy is not having any company there, so he needs the town way of life. Then I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down a twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. So here he needs the town way of life, where he will get always the lighting and the noises of the sounds of the vehicles and all, and the twinkling streets means with the electrical lights and all, and then always busy. So he needs some busy life, some sort of sound and some company he needs, the bright one he needs. But here in the nights before the night only, the evening itself, the silence will start in the countryside, and there will not be any noise, there will not be any light, very much calm and all. So this he doesn't like. He needs something different, just like the town life. Okay, thank you. Now I will go through the meanings of these two poems. The town child and the country child. Here first one is feet. Feet means, already I told you, this is not our feet, that is the people who walk in the streets. This is only according to this context, this poem. Okay, people who walk in the streets is described as feet here. Then trams. Trams are the electric vehicles that transport people. These are just like our buses only. They travel on the road itself, and on the roads, if you take Calcutta, there we can see these trams. Trams on the roads itself. And on the roads, some tracks will be there, narrow tracks. On the tracks, these trams will move from place to place, just like our city buses. Okay, these are electric vehicles, means with the help of the electricity, they move from place to place. But here, they will carry the people. Okay, they will transport the people from one place to other place within the city. Okay, these are the trams, just like our city buses. Then meadows. Meadows means grassy lands. Okay, then castle. Castle means a large strong building. Okay, castle is a large strong building, and this large building, okay, that we call as castle. T is silent here. And then next one is lane. Lane means a narrow road. Lanes we have even in towns and also in country. Okay, then twinkling. Twinkling stars you heard already. Twinkling means shining strongly and weakly. Means not continuous brightness or not continuous light. Sometimes it's first shines, then stops, then again shines. So like that, alternately shining strongly and weakly. That is twinkling. Okay, thank you.